What's good, YouTube? Abnolimit here, and today we're back again trying to figure out what's wrong with this car. Double O. Yeah. Today we're taking a look at this, right? We have to take a closer look. Let's take a closer look at it. As you can see right here, you see that mad thing? That's my suspension of this car is gone. The rear suspension, the passenger side is gone, and we're going to try to fix it. Right, so first up, we need to take off the tire.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Oh yeah, and by the way, I have to get this done by 4 p.m. because then I have to go to the grocery store to get some stuff. So we have a time limit. You think you handy jack, hey bad boy, you go underneath your car. There's a bulge here and there's a bulge here, so you put it in between these two bulges. That's where you put it all the way. Just keep twisting this bad boy. Just keep twisting it and screw and screw. You know what? I had a problem, a dilemma. I'm just going for it. This is the first time like I'm jacking up this car on this surface. But like my dilemma was, you see the ground, it's rocks. So I was thinking if it's rocks, the jack stand is just gonna sink because of how heavy the car is. We're about to put that to the test right now and see if it stays or if it sinks. I hope it doesn't sink, man. My knees. You see, it turns into this old contraption. Jack stand is basically all the way up. See, we have flames under the tire. Now we continue taking out the bolts. Rocks just mix everything. Oh, we'll do this side, but the last one is always the weirdest. See that? For safety, we're gonna take the tire and put it underneath the car here. And you're there. I just we have access to the old issue. I just changed the brakes of recent. Let me see. Like pad is good on both sides. Nice. So this is the issue here. This bad boy. Yeah. See, it's the strut mount that has a problem. See how it's shaky. It's not supposed to be that shaky. I kind of figured it was it, but you know, I didn't know what to believe. But as you can see, it was it. I tried to like bend it with like some glue and whatnot, but it didn't work. Every time I use a rope, it didn't work, bro. I tried everything. We have this 40mm bolt for both sides. We're gonna get the 40mm socket and get. Before we even do any of that, I want to cut out this rope. I don't have a scissor, so I'm using this sharp mouth plier. So just come here, look for the best. Oh, that was easy, man. That was easy. I'm trying to get, bro, how much glue did I use on that? Kicked and tight, man. I feared this was gonna happen when I put the glue on. Bro, this shit looks like it's not gonna bounce. That's with here. Yeah, and just keep. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Okay, we got a big ass chunk out. Yeah, there we go. Out. Bro, what happened here, man? Okay. And I'm not trying to like take the whole, you know, stuff out. I'm just trying to like do everything while on here, which is mad, but we'll try. Broke off, like it's not supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be like a whole circle. Let me show you. Be like a circle like this. See? It's supposed to be like a circle like this, but see, it's broken. Can you see the difference? Can you see the difference? New problem. As you can see, this rubber part, I don't know if I'm gonna need it, but it's broken, and I don't have it on this one. I don't have it on this one here, so I don't know if I'm gonna need it or not. So I'm trying to like salvage it. As you can see, I'm trying to like make sure I don't break it. But it looks like it's kicked in there. I'll try my best. We'll see. We'll see. So I almost got it out. As you can see, I don't know if it's salvageable, but I think I can still salvage it. What do you guys do? You think I can salvage it? Bro, I don't know. I guess we'll have to see. We get off 14, we'll put it on our wrench, and then we're going to take off those bolts. There we go. There we go. Nice. There we go. Easy work. Bro, my arm, my legs, be useful to think. Okay, first one. Nice. This is the broken piece from the old mount, man. See? Bro, how did it break? That's what I'm trying to fix. Bro, where's the other screw? Hey yo. No, don't think we have this place. Oh no, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I don't know where I put the other screw. Shit. Fuck me. What the fuck? And it's like everything blends in here. Like with the ground. Shit. Oh, found it. Okay, let me put this in the car. Bro. I'm about to do like rookie mistake. Put it here. So it's removed. I feel like now the next thing is I have to compress, this shock absorber, compress it all the way down so I can take down the mount. So let's do. Oh shit, the mount came out. Okay, see. Okay, so this one is out. Lord, okay, give me a second, man. Oh, Lord, it's the old mount. It's done for, man. Like, bro, how did this happen? Like, half of the mount is gone, obliterated, disappeared, not in this universe again. Like, how? Okay, now I have to figure out. Wait, what was this screwed onto? Oh, okay. Bro, I just got a brain fart. I was screwed onto this. I just have to like lower it as much as possible, then install this next. I need to remove this mount here. This mount, I need to remove it, like a screw on it, and I need to remove that, and then mount the new mount and everything on it, and it's going back up. Lord. Okay, so this bolt here is a 12 millimeter. I have a 12 millimeter already, so we need to remove that. 12 mil is half. This is 12 mil. Bro, why the fuck is my heart beating so fast, man? It's too long. See this? It's not gonna go in, bro. Like, it's too long. I think we might have to use like a plier or something. Fuck. Okay. Bro, like the compression, it hurts like a motherfucker, man. Bro, it's like I'm trying to turn it, but the thing doesn't want to go. I'm about to give up, man. I'm about to give up because I'm trying to like twist it the other way. The thing is going the other way. Let's get a bit of lubricant and lubricate this thing. If nothing else works, I'm gonna have to get Patricia to hold it because it's like I'm trying to turn it the other way, but it's like it's spinning. This is like spinning. So I might need to get Patricia here to help me out. Before we even continue, let's see if the bitch fits. Let's see if it fits the mount. Let's see. Ready? Okay, we're good. It fits. Let's try one or two more times, and if I can't get it, I'll get Patricia. Alright, Patricia is here. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. Sorry, everything's a mess. You're gonna have to wash your arm, but let me show you. This is all I was holding it. See this? So this is what I need you to do. I already lubricated it, so I don't want to remove the whole contraption because that's just a problem in itself. This, I have to push it down and then hold it, and then let me show you. I get my plier and I want to turn it this way. You see, it keeps turning, so I want you to put a plier here and turn it the other way. Alright, so I got this long 12 millimeter. Paisha is going to use this, hold it from here, clamp it here like this, come here with that bolt, this bolt right here, this bolt, this one. So I have mine already stuck. Clamp it, then just hold it with everything. Bro, I've been doing this since 1 p.m. and right now it's almost 5. The 4 p.m. time is out of it. I didn't make it. I tried everything. I tried using my pliers. I tried using a socket. I tried everything just to get that little bolt out. I tried lubricating it. I tried everything. Nothing is working. Bro, I just have one more thing I can try. One more thing I can try. And if this doesn't work, I honestly don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know. Alright, so the last thing I'm gonna try is I'm gonna get this wrench here, and then I'm gonna put it in the hole, and then there's a small part on top of it that you can clamp like a plier to. Pasha's gonna clamp a plier onto there, and then I turn the other way, and then she turns the other way. If that doesn't do it, I don't know. I guess sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't. I don't know, I'm feeling down, but we'll see. What's good, YouTube? It's the next day, bright and sunny outside. And bro, I woke up with disappointment. I even went to sleep with disappointment. It's a bit chilly outside, but let me show you guys what we've done so far. So yesterday night I couldn't get the bolt out, so I've been using my drill. As you can see here, I've been using it to drill a hole into the bolt so I can take the bolt out and then, you know, hopefully get a replacement bolt for it. Drill bit is broken, man. Yo, this thing is like, I woke up this morning with, you know, new energy, hoping that everything will go right, and then drill bit broke, and I'm like dumbfounded. I don't know what to do. I guess we try another drill bit and hope it fits and works, because let's just see. Alright, so I'm gonna use the next one. We have multiple. This ones are big. I'm gonna use this is the next smallest one with my drill. So, drill broken. Ow. Guess we're good. Got the bolt out. Well, the nut. As you can see, I drilled the living shit out of it. Bro, I'm literally shaking because I thought I would have had to take it to a mechanic. I tried this, she's crying as well. Tears of joy. But bro, let me show you guys the metal. See? Can you see the hole? See? The hole into it, man. I'm gonna try to see if it can work. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna start assembling everything together. So next step is we're gonna take the mount. I'm gonna put it in here like this. Put in here, and then I got another bolt, so we're gonna put another bolt. This is another shock absorber, but in order to put this shock absorber on, let me just explain before you're like, how am I dumb? I should just remove the shock absorber. Is see here, there's a nut right here. I have to take this nut out, and this is stuck. This is stuck. That's gonna be, I have to use like an angled grinder to get it off, and to do that, that's a whole problem in itself. So it's like, I'm not going there yet until I need to go there. It's like, okay, you want to pass the screw? See. Yeah, do not. Feel like it's just a moment of truth. It don't seem to want to go. I turned it as best as I could, like even down to the hole part. There's like a hole here. Turned it all the way down. This, and then I took it all the way as low as I could. Get the 14mm. Put on the socket, our 2 bolts. Come under here. As you can see, the mount is on, kind of. Second one as well. Tighten the second one. Oh, it's fine. What happened? Grand finale. Okay, the 2 bolts are on. Tight enough. You see the thing is slanted because of the jack stand. This one is supposed to fit in like somehow like this. I don't know about this one right now. I don't know what I want to do about this. What do you think? It's supposed to, maybe when I put the jack stand in, it will straighten up. Let's just do a torque test to see if the thing is gonna shake. Come on, see? There we go. Ow. Ow, see? And alright, so next thing we're gonna take you for a ride. As you can hear, the sound is obviously there and it's strong. It's not going nowhere, but it's just because the bolt is loose. I just want to take it for a test drive at first, you know, see how everything is, and just take a listen.